So it doesn't matter whether or not we have a floor plan of your property when we list it. Well, we say yes at Team Reba. Here in the Washington market, and we're located in kind of the main employment centers of King County, Snohomish, and Pierce, as well as expanding right now. But here's the thing that's important to know. When a listing agent inputs a listing into the Northwest Multiple Listing Service, well, we can put in all kinds of virtual links such as 3D Matterport. We can put in a individual non-branded website and a number of things like that. But the problem is not every company out there, when they receive the data from the MLS, will actually show another agent other additional work. We pay for all those services so that we try and maximize everything that's out there. But if someone doesn't pull through a 3D, they definitely will get the floor plan in the pictures that are on the MLS from us.